Over the past few years, we've certainly seen some choice resto mods, but this slick 65 Impala, wrapping a hot Chevrolet Performance small block in fully custom aesthetics, is definitely one of the coolest. An authentic Impala Supersport that was the subject of a nut and bolt restoration, this cruiser is definitely built for keeps. There are no notable body modifications, aside from sharp PPG 2-stage, that would have been unimaginable in the mass production world in 1965. Pop the doors and you'll find a custom interior that serves as the perfect accent to the Chevy's sophisticated pigment. Bolstered buckets join a refashioned bench to provide big comfort for a family of passengers. The glossy dash hangs Pioneer audio and sophisticated odometer gauges, while a custom console is boxed around a classy Hers shifter. Power comes from a 495 horsepower Chevrolet Performance LS376 V8. That all-aluminum 6.2 liter is backed by a 4L60E and a 12-bolt rear. Thanks to its exceptional attention to detail, this top dog Chevy is a great driving piece that's fun, unique, and reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.